Welcome to Enterprise State Community College. I just want to take a moment to show you a short video on how to register for classes at Enterprise State Community College. First, you're going to go to ESCC.edu. You're going to go to the menu bar for students, register for classes. Registering for classes at ESCC is a fairly simple process. But it's not just putting classes into a system. We want to make sure that you understand exactly what courses are the right courses to take at Enterprise State, so that you're not wasting time and money in courses that you don't need. So we have a 4-step easy process. The first step is looking at the schedule offerings for each semester. When you click here, you'll see ESCC, which is Enterprise Campus, AAC scheduled classes, which is the Alabama Aviation College. So for this example, I want to show you an example of a summer schedule book. This is going to list all the class offerings, times, days, teachers, everything that you're going to need to take the classes. And there's a number of different bits of information in a schedule of classes, but for this example, I'll go straight to an example of what a scheduled class looks like. So if I decide I want to take a business communication class offered at 10:10 on Wednesdays, it's going to give you room, location, instructor. What I want you to pay attention to is this call number. This call number is going to designate in the computer what time and date the course is so that you can register for the right section of the class. So as you're going through the scheduled classes, look at the courses. Don't feel overwhelmed because we're going to have a catalog for you to look at, your degree plan to show the right courses to take, which is step 2 of the registration process. Using the academic catalog to pick the correct classes for your major. The academic catalog is awesome because it has a number of different things like scholarship opportunities, the course descriptions, policies and rights for you as a student, along with degree plans for each major so that you know what courses to take. If I may, just let me scroll down here. I'm going to give you an example of what a degree plan looks like. So for this example, we have aviation maintenance technology, power plant technology. And this is going to show you the general studies that you're required to take, and then on to the aviation courses that you have to take. It will give you a total number of hours. Below that, it will give you a suggested course sequence, meaning when to take it and what order to take it. That's suggested by the department of the major, so it's really important that you follow that order the best you can. So step 3 is optional, and it's optional because some students are going to transfer after ESCC and some are not. If you're a student studying a degree that is non-transferable, then you won't have any need going to the STARS Guide because you don't plan to go to a 4-year institution beyond Enterprise State. If you are a student that's planning to get a bachelor's degree, you'll want to check out the STARS Guide. The STARS Guide is an agreement in the state of Alabama that when you transfer to any university in the state of Alabama, it's going to guarantee that the courses you select are going to transfer from Enterprise State. So if you want to see an example of a STARS Guide, you'll go here, Unofficial STARS Guide. You're going to select the institution that you plan to go to. For this example, we'll say just Troy. And I am a student. And then you're going to select the major at Troy. So we would say history, get the guide, and then you're going to have a list of exactly the course numbers to take. Not all of these classes are going to be taken at Enterprise State, so just know that, but this does give you some idea of the courses that they want you to take. The STARS Guide is a contract between you and that school to guarantee that those courses will transfer if you follow the guide correctly. Step 4 of the registration process is to go to My ESCC, and this is actually once you've already mapped out exactly what you want to take. This is the program that we use to actually register for the courses. So when you go to My ESCC, you'll see login here, and this login, you'll see some instruction here for students. It's going to be your student number is your username, and your PIN number is going to be your 6-digit birthday. So in this top right corner, you'll see your name, and then you'll see the academic term that you want to register for. It's important to see at the top the semester you're planning to register for. So for this example, summer 2020. You'll go down here to the menu, click on scheduling, registration. So when you are picking classes, you can display the courses so that you can look them up one at a time. So let's say the Enterprise Campus, we want to register for biology, and it will show you different courses in biology to choose from. When you're looking at the schedule of classes in step 1 and step 2, you definitely want to write down these call numbers, because the call numbers will tell the system exactly which courses you want to register for. So if you want to just do a generic search for all the Biology 103 classes, you can hit submit, and it will show you the ones that are offered. This number here, this call number, will tell the computer exactly which course to register for again. And this is where you can add or drop classes. So when you register, you're going to add each call number of each course. So let's pretend we want to pick call number 1701, add selected course, and that biology class is going to show up just like that. And then you'll plug in more call numbers just like so. And once you're done adding courses, you'll be able to see an actual bill for the courses. So you'll see a total payment, how many credit hours, and you can choose to pay later, or you can choose to apply your financial aid and scholarships if they're already put in the system. So that's a quick way to register for classes. In the event that you are just really unsure of what to do, we want to absolutely welcome you to go beyond that, to reach out to any ESCC counselor or advisor. Here's a link to it here to request an advisor on the online advising form. It's very easy to request an advisor, and we want to just make sure that you know exactly where to go for that. So within 24 hours, you should be able to be connected to an advisor to help you register if you're unsure what to do. I hope this tutorial helped, and good luck, and thank you for choosing ESCC.